Hi everyone. So today, let's talk about WhatsApp security. Have you ever had your WhatsApp account hacked before? Yes? No? Even if your own account hasn't been hacked, I'm sure you've come across situations where you wake up to messages from either your family member, a friend, or a colleague asking you for money or something similar. At first, you think it's legit. Before you know it, your innocent mind have already convinced you to send that money, not realizing you are actually sending your money to an unknown individual called hacker. So now let me show you one important way to protect your WhatsApp account using two-step verification, because every single day countless of WhatsApp accounts are being hacked, and there are other ways to protect your WhatsApp account and much more exciting content waiting for you on this channel. But let's start with this one for now, because this two-step verification is a must-have. So open your WhatsApp now, go to settings, scroll down to account, then select two-step verification. And this prompt will appear asking you to create a PIN for extra security. So even WhatsApp is asking you to create an extra PIN for your own security. Despite WhatsApp having an end-to-end encryption, click on turn on and create a 6-digit PIN that you can remember. For example, now I'm going to set my PIN to 123456, and I will confirm it by entering the same 123456, and immediately it will show turning on two-step verification. And that is all. After enabling your two-step verification, there is also an option to enter your email address that will allow WhatsApp to email you a reset link in case you ever forget your PIN, though you can be able to change your PIN at any time. This guide is for iPhone users. Are you using Android? Don't worry, I got you. Check my next video for the Android version. Don't wait until it's too late. Please enable two-step verification now and share this video with your family and friends to keep them safe also. See you in the next one.